In this video, you will see how to upload your data to WinCross Executive. First, log into your account, click on My Drive, choose a destination folder, click Upload. You can either browse through your files or use drag and drop. WinCross Executive supports SAV, CSV, or Excel data. We recommend SAV because it is a richer format. It contains more information such as variable labels and value labels. We'll start with SAV. Click Upload. Because it is SAV data, it has automatically been converted to a dataset for you. Let's go back to My Drive. Click on our newly uploaded file and you'll see that its status is ready. And it has 880 records and 99 variables. If it is a large data set, it can take a while to convert, and you'll see a status message here. Let's take a look at the variables. Go to the data menu, click on variables, choose your data set, choose a variable. The label has come in, along with the code values and value labels. You can edit the variable name label or edit the code values and value labels. If you do so, the original file that you uploaded will not be changed. This way you can preserve your original file. If you need a file that has the changes in it, you can go back to the data menu, go to Datasets, choose your file, and export. This will bring down an SAV file for you that has your changes in it. Let's try a CSV file. Let's go back to My Drive. Choose a destination folder, upload. Choose a CSV file, and click Upload. Because it is a CSV file, it has not been automatically converted. We can do that here or back in My Drive. Let's go back to My Drive and do it there. Click our CSV data file, and you'll see that it has not been converted to a data set. Let's do it now. The CSV file contains variable names as the first record, so we'll leave that checked. Max defined code values per variable is set to 100. We recommend just to leave it there. This is the number of code values that will be scanned for, and for which code value labels will be created. The scanner determined that this is a comma delimited file, as you can see in the preview. If the preview looks correct, then you can click Import. If not, choose a different delimiter. If it is neither one of these, go ahead and enter your own custom delimiter. Once the preview looks correct, click Import. Takes you back to My Drive, and you can see that the data file has been imported and it is ready. Let's go take a look at the variables. Choose our CSV dataset. And we can see here that our data has been detected as numeric or string automatically. Code values have been scanned and value labels set. These, of course, again, can be edited. Excel is next. Select your destination folder, click Upload. Drag your Excel file over and click Upload. Let's go ahead and import directly from our upload page here. Again, it was not automatically converted because the Excel data may not be a data set. Our data does have the first row's variable name, so we'll leave that checked. And we'll leave 100 in there for the scan count. If you have multiple worksheets here, choose the one that has the data and click import. And that will take you back to My Drive. Click on your Excel file and you'll see that it is ready to go. We'll go to the data menu, click variables, choose our Excel data file. We can see that the field types were detected as numeric or string, just like CSV. And code value labels were scanned for as well. That is how you upload a data set to WinCross Executive. I hope you enjoyed this video.